What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the Xsense Home Security Kit. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, this is from Xsense. We actually unboxed a different product here by Xsense already. The doorbell. If you want to check that out, I'll link that down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. If you want to get one of these as well, I'll link this down below. So basically, this is the home security kit that you can connect with all the Xsense accessories as well. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I'll show you how to set this up. There we go. So the system is pretty much just these literatures right here. It also has a sticker there that you can put on your door. Let's put that on the side for now. Here you get some accessories, some mounting brackets. Here is also the hub right there. Some motion detectors right there. Boom. And inside you get a bunch of window sensors with magnets. I guess you get 4 of those. And there you go. Inside this, accessories and power adapter in here. Set some screws mounted on your wall there or the ceiling. Power adapter right here. USB-C as well. And then a bunch of stickers, 3M stickers right there, so that you can stick it on the wall or something like that. There is also a remote that came with it. There you go. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and set this up. Here we go. Now this is the app for the Xsense Secure Home Security. Let's go ahead and download it. This is the hub right here. It has the power button on the front here. It has this light indicator as well of what's going on. It would turn red when something is wrong. On the back is the USB-C port as well, and speakers. It doesn't need to be plugged in at all. It just needs to be charged. If you take it off the plug, it'll still beep. It'll still make the alarm noise when an intruder comes in. Now, to connect it to the app, you have to register on here and add the device. Here we're just going to add the base station. We're going to scan the QR code in the bottom of the device like so, really quick. And then we're going to change the name and whatnot, all the settings on here as well. Once it's all done, you can connect it to the Wi-Fi, punch in your Wi-Fi code, and then it'll do the setup right here. It says a device found and also connected to the Wi-Fi. Once it's all done, it should say that device is added. There's a bunch of settings that you can change as well on the security system hub. You can change the tone, the volume, different sounds for alarm, enable the LED and whatnot. It's really up to you on how you want to customize it. Now let's add another device. All we need to do is hit that plus button up there, and then we're just gonna add the motion sensor. Again, what we'll need to do is take off the plastic tab that is blocking the battery there, and scan the QR code. We're gonna connect this to our hub as well, so that everything is communicating with each other. Now this is the motion detector there. Pretty hefty device. Has a motion sensor and indicator light right there. To open the back, this is how you would mount it right there. There you go. And then if you want to change the battery, it'll be down here. There you go. Now let's go ahead and add an entry sensor, which can be used for windows or doors. Again, we're going to scan the QR code on the back of the device and also take off the tab for the battery so that it will run power through it. Now these are the door sensors there. To open it up and mounting it would be this guy right here. There we go. It also has the battery right here. This is also the mount, so you would just put the sticker there. so that you can mount it. There you go. This has a magnet so that it indicates if it's stuck to it or not. As you could see there, it'll beep red when it closes. There you go. Now let's add another device there. We're just gonna do the remote control. Lastly here, we're gonna scan the QR code as per usual, and then the remote control will be able to control the hub, to arm it, to disarm it, to put it away in a home mode, and then you can also use it for SOS. So right now it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and change the mode to away.
Away mode ready. System on.
There it is. Now we're going to test out a few things here and see if it will actually beep the security system. Let's try the motion detection here. So as you could see, I was able to sense the motion, so it alarmed the system, which is really good. Let's try the door sensor now. Let's see if that will work. So go ahead and put it in away mode again.
Away mode ready. System on.
Or let's open the window main floor now. So you could see there, when you open the door, it'll also alarm the system right there. Pretty cool. Now let's try another thing here, which is the remote. Without the phone, you can also connect it with the remote right here. And then we can away. Let's hit away and away mode here by holding this.
Away mode ready. System on.
There you go. And then if you want to hit home, you can also hold this.
Home mode ready. System on.
There we go. And then you can also disarm it by clicking this.
System disarm.
Pretty cool. You can also hit the SOS if there's an emergency. There you go. You could then disarm the alarm if you're good to go. Pretty cool. So essentially, if there's a power outage, this whole system will still work. As long as you have the remote, it doesn't need to be connected to the router at all. It still works fine. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new security system for your home. This is from Xsense. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I definitely would recommend this for people who likes to have an all-in-one system ready to go, and it's easy setup with an app featured as well. There's a lot of automation that you can use this as well, so that's pretty good. The app is nice. It could use a little bit of improvement, but I would recommend this because it's easy to use as well for everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos to come. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.